In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a productivity game in Notion. We'll turn your to-dos into quests, earn XP and coins, and track your progress with an avatar you can level up over time. Start by creating 3 main databases. Make one called Quests for your tasks. This is where you'll add each to-do you want to gamify. Then create Rewards for your shop, which will list the treats or privileges you can buy with coins. Finally, create Avatar for your player stats. You'll likely have just one entry here representing you, but keeping it as a database gives you flexibility. Next, connect these databases so everything talks to each other. In Quests, add a relation property to Avatar, so each task is assigned to your player. In Rewards, add a relation to Avatar as well, so purchases and totals can be tied back to your stats. These relations allow you to aggregate progress and keep everything centralized on your profile. Now define your points and rewards. In Quests, add a select property for difficulty with options like low, medium, and high. Add number properties for base XP and base coins, or use a single property for each and decide what each difficulty is worth. For example, low might be 10 XP and 5 coins, medium 25 XP and 10 coins, and high 50 XP and 20 coins. In Rewards, list your real-life rewards and set a coin cost for each, things like a break, a snack, or a larger treat, whatever motivates you. Use formulas to automate tracking as you mark tasks done. Add a checkbox property in Quests called Done. Then create formula properties such as earned XP and earned coins that output the values only when done is checked. Think if done, show the amount; if not, show 0. In Avatar, use a roll-up to sum earned XP and earned coins from related quests. And add a level formula that converts total XP into levels, for instance. 1 level per 100 XP. You can also add a progress formula to show how close you are to the next level. Finally, create a clean dashboard page. Add linked views of your quests database filtered to show only current or not yet done tasks. Include your avatar with a compact layout showing total XP coins and a progress bar to the next level. Then add your rewards view, sorted by coin cost, and consider a filter to highlight what you can currently afford. Arrange everything so your quests, stats, and shop are visible at a glance. Tweak colors, icons, and views until it feels fun and motivating. That's it, your productivity game is ready to play. Thanks for watching.